Title: Transforming Agriculture, the Role of Technology. Opening shot: beautiful countryside with lush green fields. Narrator, voiceover: agriculture, the backbone of our society, has been evolving for thousands of years. Today, it stands at the crossroads of a digital revolution, embracing technology to revolutionize farming practices and ensuring sustainable food production for a growing world population. Transition to a farm with a farmer working on a tablet. Narrator, voiceover: in this video, we explore how cutting-edge technology is transforming agriculture, making it more efficient, productive, and environmentally friendly. Scene: Introduction to precision farming. Narrator, voiceover: meet Mr. Johnson, a forward-thinking farmer. He has adopted precision farming, a revolutionary technique that utilizes technology to optimize agricultural practices. Scene: Mr. Johnson using a drone to survey his fields. Narrator, voiceover: Mr. Johnson uses drones to conduct aerial surveys of his vast fields. The drone's high-resolution images help him identify crop health, nutrient deficiencies, and potential pest infestations. Scene: Mr. Johnson analyzing data on a computer. Narrator, voiceover: back at his farm office, Mr. Johnson analyzes the data collected by the drone on his computer. With the help of sophisticated software, he creates detailed field maps, allowing him to create tailored treatment plans for each area. Transition to smart irrigation system. Narrator, voiceover: water, a precious resource, needs to be used judiciously. Mr. Johnson has installed a smart irrigation system that monitors soil moisture levels in real time. Scene: smart irrigation system in action. Narrator, voiceover: when the soil moisture drops below a certain threshold, the smart system automatically activates, delivering the precise amount of water needed. This not only conserves water but also enhances crop yield. Transition to smart sensors. Narrator, voiceover: advanced sensors play a vital role in precision farming. Scene: close-up of smart sensors. Narrator, voiceover: these smart sensors continuously collect data on temperature, humidity, and other environmental factors. The information is then transmitted to the farmer's smartphone, helping them make well-informed decisions. Scene: Mr. Johnson checking his smartphone. Narrator, voiceover: Mr. Johnson can remotely monitor his farm's conditions and take timely action if any issue arises. Transition to AI-powered crop analysis. Narrator, voiceover: artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing crop analysis. Scene: AI analyzing crops. Narrator, voiceover: by analyzing vast amounts of data from various sources, AI can predict crop diseases, weather patterns, and suggest the best planting times. Scene: Mr. Johnson talking to an AI-powered assistant. Narrator, voiceover: Mr. Johnson interacts with an AI-powered virtual assistant that guides him in making critical decisions, such as selecting the right seeds and optimal planting densities. Closing shot: a flourishing farm with happy farmers. Narrator, voiceover: thanks to technology, agriculture is becoming more sustainable, productive, and environmentally friendly. Scene: farmer shaking hands with Mr. Johnson. Narrator, voiceover: farmers like Mr. Johnson are embracing innovation and ushering in a new era of smart farming. Closing scene: text on the screen: embrace technology for sustainable agriculture. Narrator, voiceover: embrace technology to unlock the full potential of agriculture and ensure a brighter, food-secure future for generations to come. Fade out.